film any of us walking in like I did last time because the camera fogged up because it was so humid.
Oh man.
So we got in, we got our, oh show us, you guys have, I have my magnet in here. We got these cool,
retro magnet.
yeah, mine's like in my bag.
I got it.
It's a pin and a magnet because we're pass holders now.
Is it magnet?
Oh.
Cool.
And then these crazies are coming back tomorrow to get a lanyard that they were out of today.
Le pin.
Oh, it's very cute. It's very cute.
Save the green.
Love it.
planet.
And then we booked it to Simpsons. But after this, we're gonna do Men in Black. He needs some coffee. That's why I'm showing you his Worship Coffee shirt. Because he's a little bit of a grouch without it. But it's okay. And then we're gonna do Motorbike, right? Motorbike, bike. He's just shaking his head at me. Just finished Men in Black. Abel got 63,000. I got 100,000. Tom got 191,000. And Josh got 500,000. I just don't even know how that's a reality. You cheater, pumpkin eater. All right.
I know all the tricks.
He does. We're heading to Cheetah.
Academy of Villains.
No, we're not going to Academy of Villains. It's not Halloween Horror Nights.
I wish.
We're going to, I wouldn't be with you if it was. Where are we going? Islands of Adventure? We are trying to get on Hagrid's. But we need to get this man some coffee for realsies.
Yeah, yes.
Mm-hmm. 45 minutes later, we've got our food. Hey, it's good. It's good. We're eating. Nobody's talking in this one. Look at him, honey. I'm sorry. I didn't make the food come out 45 minutes late. We're just gonna eat in silence now.
Silence.
We survived Jurassic World. The dinosaur didn't eat us.
Oh, almost.
Almost. We got very close and I didn't like it. But it was so fun. And now we're going to Hagrid's. Motorbike. Bike.
You know it.
We were finally able to get, what's it called? Virtual queue? Virtual queue passes for it. We kept checking. And then Josh scored them. He got it. So we're ready. I loved Jurassic. I was very scared. Josh talked me through the whole thing. I made it out alive.
You lied.
It was really fun.
I want my money
I
back.
did close my eyes at the very, very, very end, like as we were going down, but I kept my eyes open for most of it.
Though. That drop is something else.
So Hagrid's was closed again due to weather. So we are now at Spider-Man. We did go on Kong. How did you like Kong, hun?
It was good.
It was scary.
It was dark in there. I
Yes.
couldn't see anything.
Yes. But now we're in the Spider-Man queue. We're still doing a lot of rides even though the weather's been kind of yucky.
I think that's why it's important for you to have a pass. So get an annual pass so you experience stuff
Yeah.
like this, you can come back.
Right, exactly. These desks are cracking me up.
Look at that big one.
I know, the sandwiches and stuff. Look at the picture of the kid.
Where has everyone gone?
I don't know.
Find out at 8 o'clock.
Hey guys! I think last time we checked in, we did Spider-Man. But now we've done
Shit ton.
a shit ton. We went and got Starbucks. Then we did Kong, right?
Yep, Kong Skull Island.
And I did not like the queue. Do not agree with the choice of queue. But the ride was really cool. And then we did, wait, I think we did Kong before we got Starbucks.
I don't remember. I think it was, I don't know. After that we went over to Hagrid's.
Yes.
We're moving
Yes.
now.
And we're moving. Anyway, so we did Motorbike, which was phenomenal. Probably my favorite attraction. I don't know. Rise of the Resistance in Hollywood Studios at Disney World is fantastic, but I feel like it's like right there. And then we did Forbidden Journey.
The castle ride.
We're just like knocking these rides out, guys, because there's nobody here. We're taking
Dude,
the Hogwarts.
Shout out to that fruit cup I ate. It was $3.
It was $4.05.
Something like that. Shout out to delicious fruit.
But we're taking the Hogwarts Express back because I think we're gonna do Fast and Furious and.
My favorite ride.
You've never been on it.
I'm gonna become part of the family.
And then do like a Nocturne Alley. So hopefully I can get some footage of that. I've been carrying these cups all day. But all right, my mask is sliding down. Ah!
Say Hermione.
We're taking bets on what my
What you got?
frog will be. Oh,
Got a nasty one.
So,
Oh no, honey.
color was it? What color
That's
was
why I
that?
don't like those. I don't trust
Just
it.
that earthy.
And
That's
so
herb.
grass
So
probably.
that yellow and brown one right here is
Oh,
Stop it.
I know it is.
He got butterbeer ice cream. And you liked it?
Huh?
It's good. The butterbeer ice cream.
Butterbeer ice cream is
So you bet Hermione. You bet McGonagall. Who do you think my card is gonna be?
I don't know.
Okay, that's a good
Hermione
guess.
isn't a card yet, is she? I don't know. There's only famous witches and wizards.
Oh, I got that big old chocolate.
That's
I got Ollivander.
Oh my god, I've never seen that. Good for him.
And on the-
He made it.
Something spit water.
Well, if you do a spell.
Proprietor of Ollivanders, makers of fine wands since 382 BC. Ollivander believed that the best wands had cores of powerful magical substances, expertly enclosed in specialty selected and complementary wandwoods. That's very cool. He's so neat.
Alright,
Fun.
which one's good then?